Hey, Tom. Doing a big spring cleaning?
Way!
Well, that's a very special way to clean.
Yay!
Oh. Hey, Gary. Oh, you seem upset. You've seen something horrifying while you were working? The wind spread the trash all over the canal?
Ah.
In the streets, too? Well, do you think you can help our friend out, Tom?
Mabasa.
Great. Let's use your special object maker. Will you look at that? A Super Hoover. Awesome. Let's go outside and see how this works. Let's try this Super Hoover. Awesome. Look at that pile of garbage. It's disappearing for good.
What the?
Whoa. Once again, you overpassed yourself, Tom. What do you think, Gary? Gary, I think Tom would like to say something. Gary? Gary, you really should slow down, don't you? Well, I have to admit, this is very effective. Gary, this wasn't trash. Are you okay, Tom?
Blub blub.
Oh, Gary, you really should listen to Tom. Please stop the Super Hoover. Guys! Come on, Gary. You have to stop the Super Hoover. Careful, guys. Oh, boy. What a disaster. What should we do? Tom, can you find a solution to stop the Super Hoover?
Hey, totals to.
Good. All right, let's see what you've got this time. Foam ball pistol.
Huh.
But what are you going to do with this new invention, Tom? I don't understand either, Gary.
What the?
Oh, now I get it. You want to block the hole of the vacuum hose thanks to the foam ball pistol. That is very smart, Tom. But you need to hurry. Okay, let's focus now. This Super Hoover is running wild. Oh no, so close. Try again, but carefully this time. Bullseye! What a relief, right, Gary? Uh-oh. Carrie doesn't seem as glad as you are. What a mess in her candy shop.
Mabadada.
Is that your punishment for being greedy, Gary? At least you learned your lesson, right? Well, cheer up now. All's well that ends well. Hi, Tom. Wow. Looks like you are quite talented at football.
Oh,
There's no goalkeeper to keep you from winning, though. Hey, Ben, you're in a mood. What's going on?
Hey, never know, never know, never know.
Oh, okay. Tom is going to have a look at it. All right, let's see. Ben was racing against Jerry at the racetracks, but he lost again.
Wow.
Every time he races Jerry, he loses, and Ben ends up very frustrated. Is there something you can do, Tom? How could you help Ben beat Jerry at a race?
マサナタ。
Good idea, Tom. Ben, he can help you out. Use your special machine, Tom. These speeding wheels, Ben? They look so cool. Wow, they fit perfectly. You should try them outside. Okay, Ben, first things first. Before you start your course, remember, always be careful. These wheels have never been tested before, all right? Look, Ben, Jerry's over there. Show him what you've got. So, Jerry, this is not what you expected, is it? Wow, that's amazing, Ben. Keep going. Jerry is out of sight. Yeah. What is this strange noise, Ben? Careful, though. Something is not right. Come on, Ben. Stop now. You're driving a little too fast, don't you think? You can't stop? Tom, Ben needs your help. Ben is unable to stop. His wheels are taking control over him. Tom, you have to do something quickly. Look out! It's Ben coming right at you. You have to move, Tom. Move! Ben's wheels are way too powerful. Okay, Tom, let's see what you can do. A glue gun. It's so cool. Try it on, Tom. Be prepared. Ben is coming. On a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes! You got him. Well done. Don't worry, Ben. You'll be back to your wheels in no time.
Hey!
Happy to have your old wheels back, Ben? Don't be down, Ben. At least you can control your wheels now.
Wow!
Looks like Jerry needs somebody's help to push that crate. Well done, Ben. And thank you. See, you may not be as fast as Jerry, but you're definitely stronger, Jerry. At least you will have learned your lesson. It's not winning that counts. It's spending time with your friends. Hi, Tom.
Ooh.
You built a stunning sandcastle.
Ha. Woo!
Hi, Marley. Be careful with the sandcastle. What is the emergency? You want to do loopings in the air, just like Rocky?
Huh. Ho ho!
I know that
hey.
look. You have an idea.
Uh-huh.
You want to use magic? This is intriguing. Wow. Is this Aladdin's magic carpet? You're going to fly, Marley. Hi, Rocky.
Hello.
Marley's going to do loopings with you. Wait, Marley.
Huh?
Tom is going to explain how the magic carpet works.
Hey! Uh-oh.
It works. You're starting to fly. You should wait before doing loopings. Tom must show you how to brake. Marley, you should slow down. Stop the magic carpet. You're going to be sick. Tom, I think the magic carpet is going crazy. Marley might fall off. Marley can't hear you. Do you have an idea to save Marley? You want to use magic again? Okay, let's try.
Yay!
What are you going to do with an old lamp, Tom? I don't understand either, Rocky. Is that a magic lamp?
Yay! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yay!
It works. Marley is safe.
Ba-ba-ba.
Kasana matata.
It's always safe to listen to the instructions. You're still trying to do looping? It's real magic. You're a genie when it comes to helping your friends, Tom.
Wow, Tom, are you flying?
Aha! You're cheating.
マバカスタラ。
Hi, baby. What's wrong? Looks like you want to be a superhero too. Thor? Can you do that, Tom?
Hey.
You made a magic hammer. Wow, you look great. Hurry, Tom. Baby Thor is already on his way to try it out. Hi, baby Spider-Man. You two sure are superheroes now. Oh no, Jerry is stuck under those big rocks. You don't know how to free him?
マバラ。
Maybe baby Thor can use his hammer to break the rock. Good job, guys. Bye, Jerry. Wow, that's quite a push, baby Thor. What's wrong, Tom?
マバダダ。
You're having concern about baby Thor's powers?
サラマラだ。
You'd better follow him to be sure.
ダマなら。
Hi, Carrie. Are you okay? Oh no, your ice cream machines aren't working well. You think there's a problem with the city power? Come on, Tom. Let's see what's wrong.
さあ、バダ。
Look, guys, the crystal is discharged.
マブトソトのマバラ。
You know what to do, baby Thor? You want to charge the crystal up with your powers? That could work. Wait, watch out! Oh no, baby Thor broke the main pipe. Now the whole town is deprived of electricity. You lost control of your hammer, baby Thor? Don't worry, Tom will find a way to fix this.
マバッツァ。
What is it? A glue pistol to repair the pipe? Great,
へへ。
you fixed it.
マバさ、スト。
The crystal still needs to be charged up. Right, Carrie?
へへ。キャサナマタイ。
You want baby Thor to use his power again? Are you scared? Don't worry, Tom will help
マラ
you.
ラさな。
You did it! See, baby Thor, you just need to be more careful. Is it working now, Carrie? Nice teamwork, guys.